I'm at a hardware store I've filmed before, Pete and I love, because they've got unions and also some other interesting fans. First time I've ever seen some of them off. So that one's off. That one's off. This one over here is on. I'm going to try to show as many of them I can. I'm waiting for them to cut my keys, and they've got a line at the key desk, which is fine by me. I'm just happy that they have plenty of business. So I'm going to guess that's on because there's nothing else around it to blow it. Looks like maybe that one got hit. It's hard to tell. I find it interesting that there's two different types of these. Only one replacement, which is good. I hope they don't replace any more. Okay, well there you have it. I've looked. Oh, there's some in back. Looks like a tack back there with a speaker stuck in it. I said I looked in some of the back rooms. That's my first time peeking in that one. Old hardware stores often have the coolest stuff kicking around. I didn't realize there were so many workshop areas. One back here. Nope. Okay, well that'll be it for right now.